My experience with the Reggio Emilia approach began when I moved to a teaching position in one of the early childhood classrooms at an independent, affluent Quaker school located in suburban Pennsylvania. The head of the program had been captivated by this style for years and had worked to intentionally switch the school's early childhood program over to the inspiration. I quickly became enamored myself, and I started to research and visit other programs within the that use the Reggio inspiration. The school I currently work for is very inspired by the Reggio Emilia approach. I have also visited other programs in Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, New York, and Portland. 3 of these programs can be seen above. The first being Abington Friends School, the first school that I was introduced to the Reggio Emilia approach at. The middle being the Helen Gordon Center for Child Development, which is in Portland. And the final one being the Sirett Center for Early Education, which is located in Pittsburgh. As I visited these centers, I was completely in awe of many aspects of what I saw. Much of the work being produced clearly took a dedicated amount of time, thought, and effort, and the centers themselves were aesthetically beautiful. However, I noticed that most of the programs were primarily serving white students. Although many of the teachers and administrators could speak to the diversity and how they try to address diversity within these programs, the truth was that in all the programs I've ever visited, there were more white students than any other race. Additionally, many of these programs had been located in more affluent areas of their communities. So the students attending these Reggio-inspired schools were of a higher socioeconomic status. These observations served as the foundation of my research questions.